de Colcida. In lane 3, Spain, Maria Rossi Martinez and Lara Montezo Esmal. In lane 4, Romania, Cristina Georgiano Popescu and Denisa Tilvescu. In lane 5, the United States of America, Christine Cavallo and Catherine Brown. And in lane 6, China, Liu Xundi and Wang Jiayin.
Taigi netrukus bus duotas startas pirmajam šios dienos plaukimui ir tai merginų dvivietės be vairininko. Pirmasis pusfinalis ir pirmosios 3 vietos patekti į finalą. Visos startuoja 6 įgulos. Pirmame vandens take Ukrainos atstovės Alina Romanova, Anastasija Neboženko. Antrame vandens take Graikijos atstovės Dimitra Koklutidų, Santi Kolcida. Trečiame vandens take Ispanijos irkluotojos Mirėja Rossi Martinez, Laura Monteso Esmel. Ketvirtame vandens take Rumunijos irkluotojos Kristina Georgiana Popescu, Denisa Tilvescu. Penktame vandens take Jungtinių Amerikos valstijų atstovės Christine Cavallo, Catherine Brown. Ir šeštame Kinijos irkluotojos Xundi Liu, Jian Wang.
Well, they're underway in this first semi-final here on day 3 of the World Rowing Junior Championships. We have commentators following every single race. Mikhail Yonkman and Marcus Binder will be our English-speaking commentators, and Mantas here in the tower will be doing all the Lithuanian commentary. So we'll start with Marcus, who's out on the water with this race. Marcus, very good morning to you. Glorious conditions. Christine Cavallo, by the way, in the American boat, she's already receiving lots of tweets of support from Elizabeth Cavallo. Mother, daughter, not sure. If you get alongside, perhaps you could just ask her.
Good morning, very good morning. Yes, Robert, labas rytas to all the Lithuanians here in Trakai at the World Rowing Junior Championships. Well, I'm alongside Cavallo, but I cannot ask her. She's down in lane 5, and I follow the race here alongside lane 1. The boat's underway, and in the lead, the United States. With me, I have to mention that, Ramūnas Granskas, he's my driver here on the launch. You were talking about the wind, the conditions. There is a bit of wind. The wind has changed from yesterday. We had a hard headwind yesterday and the day before, and now it is almost a tailwind, a bit from the side, but tailwind, but still very good conditions here. The boat's approaching the 500, and we have the US in the lead. Cavallo and Brown, silver medalist last year, a very experienced crew, and they are in the lead. Now in second position then, and now we are with the pack at the 500-meter mark. It is in second position in lane 3, Spain, followed 3/4 of a length down by Romania, and then comes only a canvas behind them, the crew from Greece. An open water gap, then Ukraine and China in the following positions.
Įveikus pirmosius 500 metrų šio plaukimo lyderės Jungtinių Amerikos valstijų atstovės. Antroje pozicijoje yra Ispanės, trečioje Rumunės, bet labai nedaug atsilieka Graikijos įgula. Taigi šios 4 pagrinde matome ir kausis dėl 3 kelialapių į finalą. Ukrainos ir Kinės atstovės tarpusavį kaunasi dėl priešpaskutinės vietos.
750 meters gone. A very good start by the US. Cavallo and Brown, Florida and Washington together in the boat. They had the fastest time of those 6 crews. They didn't win their heat, but they had the fastest time. Romania won the heat, but was a second slower, and Romania currently in third position. Interesting thing here, they're doubling up in the 8, and they're reigning junior European champions in the pair and in the 8. So the Romanians, we can expect from them a lot, I think, on those last 1,000 meters here in the semi-final. Now 3 crews ahead. Greece has lost contact just before the 1,000-meter mark. We have still the US in the lead. Then comes Spain with Laura Montezo Esmel in stroke seat, who took 5th place last year. Now together with Mireia Rossi Martinez, they won their heat by some 7 seconds. But here comes Romania, as we've seen them yesterday in the 8. Low stroke rate, long strokes, very powerful, and now they walk through this field. They are still in 3rd position, about to take over from Spain, about to attack the US. A very strong second half here from the Romanians. Greece in 3rd. Greece in 4th with 1.5 lengths behind the Romanians. 1,200 meters gone.
Įveikus 1200 metrų situacija nesikeičia, lyderės išlieka tos pačios, tai amerikietės antroje pozicijoje išsilaiko Ispanijos irkluotojos, o tituluotos Rumunės, kaip minėjo kolega, jau laimėjusios šiemet Europos jaunių čempionių titulus 9-vietėje ir 8-vietėje, yra 3-oje pozicijoje, bet didina savo pranašumą prieš 4 esančias šiuo metu graikės.
650 meters to go, and now 3 boats almost level here in this first semi-final of the junior women's pair, with Romania coming through strongly. We had the US, the early leader, but now their strokes are getting a bit shorter. Still very long and strong, underrating the US. Romania coming through, and then a high stroke rate in the Spanish boat. A very aggressive row there. They know that they want to qualify with a win, and that gives them the opportunity then to have maybe a better lane in the final, of course. The first 3 will go through to the final, and at the moment that's a very clear. That is after the 1,500 meter mark. The US still with a slight lead ahead of Spain and Romania, followed then by Greece.
Taigi labai įdomi situacija. Pozicija, bet realiai viskas aišku. Ispanija, Jungtinės Amerikos valstijos ir Rumunija iškovos kelialapius į finalą. Bet kokia tvarka pamatysime visai netrukus, jau prie tribūnų įgulos šios dabar.
First race of this 3rd day of the World Rowing Junior Championships in Trakai, and already it's heating up here on Galway Lake in Trakai, with the United States still leading in this junior women's pair semi-final AB. It's Christine Cavallo and Catherine Brown. Cavallo, she's one of the, well, I would say one of the big junior talents in America. She used to play football or soccer, if you're from the United States. And then she switched to rowing and hasn't looked back since. And, well, she's very strong for a junior, pulled 7:05.7, won the Crash Beast at a lightweight junior. And, well, she's showing her strength here, but she's struggling a little bit in the final strokes of this race, being overtaken by both Spain in lane number 3 and Romania in lane number 4. So the United States, the silver medal crew from last year, the very confident crew who thought they were going to win this event, or at least have a good shot at this event, have to settle for 3rd in this semi-final AB of the junior women's pair. It's Romania's Cristina Georgiana Popescu and Denisa Tilvescu who will win this semi-final, with Spain's Mireia Rossi Martinez and Laura Montezo Esmel coming in 2nd. Good stuff from the Spanish. 5th place last year for stroke woman Laura Montezo Esmel, looking to improve on that result.
Thank you very much indeed, Michiel Jonkman there, completing the commentary on that opening race of day 3, the semi-final of the women's pair. Very good times here, a little bit of a tailwind here helping them down the lake. So Romania first, Spain second, the United States third. Those 3 crews through to the A final, the remainder through to the B final. And the winning time for Romania, 7 minutes, 24.31 seconds. That is pretty quick. 7 minutes, 24.31 seconds, the winning time for the Romanian crew.